Making a wee pizza base. Wee pizza fires on it go. The apple's not ready. Apple and oranges chopped up. Some wee bits for the girls. Deer supper. Happy days. Beautiful rainy day. Clothes are outside getting washed. Buckets are filling already. Wee cover on. Let that simmer for a bit. That's the other oven. Yeah. Put your bread and that in there. Whatever. Leave it. Come back hours later. A wee surprise. Usually a burnt bit of bread, but we won't tell anybody that, babe? Leave that for a wee minute or two. Check the wee sauce coming out. Build that up. Time for a smoke. And maybe a wee peek out the window. See what we can see. Orange and apples. Heated up. I don't know what the fancy word is. Caramelised or whatever pish. I don't know. So they look nice and tasty anyway. Yeah. Then a wee sugary woogly. A wee bit of vitamins. Yeah. We've got some garlic in there. Onions. The base is coming on. Time for another fucking smoke if that's alright with the abusers. Yeah. I keep my 300 fags a day. All the goodness coming on. Had some lovely visitors coming past today. Smiles and waves. I love people that quickly put their camera down as if they're doing something wrong. Then we share a wee hug and a smile, and it's all cameras as they drive off. Simple days, eh? Right, what was I doing now? Oh, I know, I'll have a fag. Another wee peek out the window. I'll go down later on again. So coming out. So. What's that? Put that there. Plate there. Oh. One I prepared earlier and all that pish. Sauce for it cooking away. That's all done. Just leave that now for a couple of hours. What was the other 300 things I had today? Take care, everyone.